Won kofobu wa timi ba wono nam wono ne kohwa ade ufi kwa no no sofa ukwana ni pana bo mane o akora ikura ba ha na wona osoma na me pesa o kira mfa won kobi o se na atwitwa nti onu person ni mpanyifo nante no credit panyin o kana kure especially so they identify ni pani suban ansana sabi o ka so the onen benante but no credit here pa na unya information anya say wo ben ni pa no wote bibi kitwa bia na afa wo de nam wote bibi kitwa bia na de nam bi wote ni pa no wasema on kan tro se ka tro bia nenka so no ma we wo toto ekwa ya bon se na afa abrabo no ko enfa wo bia wo hwe so wo sa no ma we ya uhia obia o kan ko wo ye adwumaden na opeso so bia enfa ho bia wo hwe wo ye.
All right. Inti yan ni CEO. Say Ghana ha no. Empen bebre obi pese or connect with great people na. Yawo ebinu mo ho no mo naturally no omo kire wo mo ho kakra ye great people no. Ena Ghana ha so no yawo adwene se o de wo ho be hyehyehye nkrofo a ye se o ye anim hwehwe o ya ahohyehyɛ ene saa nyoma no. Looking at a situation like this, me person me connect with great people la. E kwa be na me mfa so.
My defining great no. Great you can be a great and be a great because on or manipa so a great. Then can be a great because we talk down talk and as a big position or country that as will be a greater is because of the great people he has raised. You know, a great and obia or tisano on general. Can be no quite yes, say my mofano quite no raminche because he was a great man. One can say being status into better than what you don't yet. Ufin for one battle. A bassa ni pan position ticket no. And I say he been all in same, but only great. Because the great person is always looking for people. Because if we are say a Japade panel in Shasa him, a shenipen. You know, say even though you need the gold, no diamond, no oil, no. A dear power was a bomb by but to guess will be a greater is because of a greatness in people. And thank for no said the orange drama. Because 10 beyond or per se, the only mono be a obi no. Or shall they be free? Or say, only to whom or be or just away or send a man. They'll make my abon or something. Thank for no matter the level. 10 beyond won't say only or per se nipa is a day. For me, and from great people. And yes, said it, or a millionaire, and I say, or be a Maakye and as well. And only a hundred as well. But I know interested. I had to say that they are phone. But before, it's only a debut. But a phone interested issue, you know, and I say, from a boy, if you know what, you didn't imagine what so I from that. So the effect. So Nipan was canon does not necessarily mean so, oh, yeah, be great, you know, but greatness can produce that. Or come on now, the one power person of way, you know, and apparently the measure of greatness.
All right. What chile but maybe the American a woman say great people and as you can will be a great person. What you watch him, but who's about Ghana had more practically no. You say your will be a greater. It means or a millionaire, we be human or a celebrity, and in a cake can home. Sankrofo no and I over Ghana had more. You say and I say you qualify them to be great people. Sankrofo you hardly get them. A bit is we say enya hin kan da roma na anopabia nya kwan no wodi nkoma obi wo fie o take the opportunity say o ti ahin kan no na o de ati afutuo ibi omo ye den no mo connect with sankrofo no obey yen hwehwanimu omo social media handles so anase because minimum obi wo no mo a o send message say o me pese o mentor me of o say bia obaji sika kra woni ho.
Okay. O say Ghana hano. Me se me bien say Ghana hano sankrofo no so nyina so say akakakra. Yes. Ninti na ye ka Ghana hano. So o bien say we are popular. And I say what nyom we politician krofo uni agenda bia so be boa krofo na ye fra bia only just the same people so here more there o here more friend and the phone cry mom no. The same person was so very busy no. So yeah more okay, every politicians for example. Every time I hear to about same person when you busy.
Banku nyina omo kan. Fufu ne bi botre, e bi bo ampe.
Most of the man excuse. You just say no matter how busy you are, or so this one is so bit my born pedia man information I want. And that social media, and you will now hand out a bit my phone, be no so be connected. Send a message back. WhatsApp. After all, in your time, at that, it be a go. 2 minutes or 3 minutes will be information. A few honor and say, hey, you know. So, Ghana had no man. Said it. Yantia says, I was seeing I raise you. He said, Yame, and I said, what you raise your horse, and Yamina born or raise your horse was so lifting comfort. And your horn, I'll be building around you. The owner for folk, I will know more, I will know more, you know, more from because they all you and was baby. We just as our Achia. Because or say me may I to say your man tell me about one and for one person will be on. No matter how busy we are, or seeing your time. Because eventually, in our boom, a year and a boy. And yet, so one go out this or one go out to throw a big shower. And now I'm afraid to pull him down. You know, so there will be a pull down. You know, and it's possible. So, you know, be a bit many and soon be a crack. And it's all through chrome. Now, in fact, all through chrome back home. Now, when I'm for what after now, church. I will be personal self you we can say also in your time.
All right.
The beauty partners here man because and you won't be
okay. Inti obi tie unfortunately this is the situation ye nyina ye hunu yen ho ewo mu. Inti so obi tie no person or connected with obi or person mental no obi or person osua bibi free ne ho obi a wadi kan wa ade bi mu or person or connected with say nipa no a ekwan ben won fa so eno na me pese o chiri mu chiri
okay o pese me answer sa de no
nipa cho han
me just say I easier social media is particularly the brain say nipa be or Instagram be more YouTube page be so Facebook obo also kwa na yonko obo also open pa ko he fie ko especially o mo against o metie obenya time amount ko hwe so kunya bibi won hon kwa dia even so kono mo na kora na still consistently except the person osia e feel ho no sometimes o pe kora mo ko fo bibi o ha me sia de feel mo minimum number kora o mo nim kora se me sia de bi feel mo because information or they are talk out that so to be more me an information and one said yes why in a team and sharing that but when some kind of the year you might a boy and sometimes when you direct contact corona and say hey somehow an answer story no man inspire on that stuff because you change in anger so a beba abra would and some year day juma and somehow nipana cannot the juma is more powerful so call you know, because we make my alcohol, so now somehow can find it. But open so connecting us, who can be making social media makes it very easier.
Okay.
For all of us, maybe they will send the message here. My busy setting, in your time, measure, you make my reply. My reply.
Okay.
I don't know time I think to say anyway. You know.
All right. Yera, ma yena si anope any afutu ne fella we yamayen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Nyame adomo echina yebesana to aso.
Okay.
All right. Yewura Kwabena Obin Dako oye an African successful entrepreneur or sign a author of many books. Watro resilience, perspective, streamline. Ni nyina ye books a wode aba monten so ebo anipa. Me pa chewo. Eya na wapebi. No wetimi akenkan because I believe say you can make it. So strategize wadwene no na wankasa u project wadwene ne say you can make it it is easy ubetimi ameki odachinti eya masa anema we hu hia wo wade ase nyame nhira pa yento aso some 27 minutes after 8 live on Ahenkan 93.7 101.3 FM. Kairesa and Susage Media Gusauti Maakye. We are streaming live on Facebook, streaming live on YouTube as well. Ubetimi are joining and woho. Na also so they will comment afaho amayeng. Odim say na what we na beto just say Ghana. Yakoto aba ama abato no UN UN ene kokoto sa aba no na aba na UN ekokoto ye no ye 2 year no na nyame aya aduma ma Ghana yaba be part of the non-permanent Security Council of the United Nations. Na ne senti ye kwa homa ne so na ye ne security aspect wabene pa ye ba ne bambo ye nya abotre nchirichiri mu a wabene Dr. Vincent Azahili Mensa. Doc, oti yankan no pay ya mwachi ba hinkan so.
Ndamwase.
Apumbo kodie.
Na mina to me tinkwam.
All right. Yanshas you say election say course so enam so ma Ghana ba be part of the Security Council of the United Nations, you know. O chire mu a say na ba chire mu a chire yen.
You know, first, I was there. Yeah,
Mr. Vincent. Menyanin say you struggling with your tree a bit, so you can blend it with the English.
No problem. Thank you very much. So, first, let's be grateful that Ghana has been recognized as part of the nations that should be part of the Security Council. Then you said the Security Council is a very important organ of the UN. Like global security is in their hands in one way or the other. And our Security Council now is composed usually of 15 countries that are part of it. Then we have permanent members, which are the China, United States of America, Britain, France, and Russia. It's assumed that these countries were the victors in the Second World War, and they are the keepers of the global system that we have today. They protect it, and so they have countries from other developing worlds that are part of the council. And see, if Ghana is privileged to be part of this council, where the last decisions are made about whether to go to war or not to go to war, how to prevent war, how to ensure that human beings are safe on earth, is a big recognition, and I need to acknowledge that as a people.
Okay, so looking at Nyoma Omedeba Bontin, it means though they've been elected to be part of the Security Council, but it will commence 2022 to 2023. Is that correct?
Yeah, no. You always say UN system, and you say, you have come back. There is what we call onboarding. You need to prepare the people who will be there, and Ghana needs to decide who will be sitting there on behalf of Ghana. Yeah, the foreign minister you have now is not somebody who is competent to be able to do those things. You need to change your foreign minister and all that. Ghana has to prepare, and the system itself needs to also give these people proper orientation about the functions and tenets, the intricacies, the inner workings of the Security Council before they take up the responsibility. So you are elected, and there is a time space for preparation before you join the Security Council, because, Master Hono, the decisions that are made, the level of policies that happens there, the level of lobbying that happens there, is a whole school that you have to attend, plus your national interest. And the interest, Ghana belongs to a lot of organizations like the Non-Aligned Movement, ECOWAS, African Union, and all that. So and the Commonwealth, and because of that, Ghana should know and has known, and we have experienced that before, because this is not the first time Ghana is elected to the Security Council. So all those groups that you belong to will be lobbying you to use your influence in the Security Council to do things in their interest. And see, because of that, there is a lot of preparation that has to be done for the individual who will be sitting there on behalf of the country to make the decisions that has to be made. See, it is not something you are elected today and then you take the position today.
Oh, okay. Now, Yamunra election course nankasa Yamunra mu. Looking at 3 countries, Ghana, Gabon, United Arab Emirates. Na Ghana ebabe topi this elections with a vote of 185. Did it come to you as a surprise?
Well, it won't come to me as a surprise because Ghana is a country that is respected internationally, and we need to thank Kwame Nkrumah for the influential role he played in those days in ensuring that there is peace in Africa, mobilizing African nations, mobilizing countries that were emerging from independence and who have vulnerable security situations. He was supporting guerrilla warfare in Algeria, and you know what he did for Guinea, Zimbabwe, South Africa, and many other countries. So because of that, Ghana has a lot of respect in Asia and in Africa in particular, and including South America. And so if countries are to vote for anything that Ghana is part of, unless Ghana is presenting a very, very bad candidate, we always stand a good chance. That's why it was not surprising our own Kofi Annan was at the United Nations as a Secretary General, and you saw what work he also did to promote the interests of Ghana. He brought the concept of the humanitarian intervention and all that into the system. So people respect Ghana because a name has been made, and that is the name that whoever will be representing us at the Security Council must build upon to produce a more respected image for Ghana again, so that in future things become easy for us. You know, some of these countries like United Arab Emirates is now emerging, and they have problems in their own region. They have these Arab dynamics that some of them have formed groups against some of the other countries, and they are fighting among themselves. So that automatically reduces their own votes in their own regions. But it shouldn't be surprising to any of us because Ghana is a country that our forefathers have laid foundations for, and that is what should guide us in the way we do our politics and other things in the country, to know that the eye of the international community is on us as part of the group that has promoted peace in the world for a very long time.
And another school of thought, and so is holding opinion. Say, when you come to Ghana as we speak, we are kind of struggling with the internal security for the United Nations. Say, omo betuaba no omo elected Ghana. No, does that mean say people craving for say young tighten young security internally? No, nia omo ye no kure nim wan.
I will rather look at it in a different way. That it places a responsibility on us to make sure that as we go to contribute to global security, we first take care of our home. Like they told us as wisdom, that charity begins at home. Before you go and work for world peace, make sure you work for peace in your country. Before you go and work for world security, global security, work for security in your country. That is so. It's rather, I will see it rather as a challenge that has been thrown to Ghana, that the eyes of the world are on us, and that we need as a country to ensure that we take the necessary steps to build up security, make sure our internal security architecture is strong, and that we respect the principles that upon which peace is built, and that we are a people who take security serious. Then the society, the global society, can also take us serious in the Committee of Nations. Otherwise, it's like we will not have any moral compass to be talking about global security if our own security is broken.
All right, so finally, before you take a leave of us, let's look at some benefits Ghana is likely to derive from being part of the Security Council of the United Nations. Let's look at the benefits.
Whether there is in the global arena, benefits are very amorphous. They are difficult to quantify, and like I said, a lot of politics exist in it. So the number one benefit Ghana will get is that Ghana becomes a target of lobbying. You get the point I mean? Become a target of lobbying. And normally when countries are lobbying you, they will bait you with a lot of things. So let's expect that the United States, China, Russia, and all those big players, and some countries that have tensions with other countries like Iran versus the U.S., North Korea versus the U.S., those countries will be coming to lobby Ghana. And sometimes what they do is that they come with a lot of proposals. We want to support you health system, we want to support your education system, just so they improve relations with you. So mark my words, Ghana is likely to see visits of other prominent world leaders to Ghana. We are going to be receiving some benefits from United Kingdom, France, and those places because they want to improve relations with us so that we support their viewpoints in the Security Council. And that is likely to open up a lot of things. It also positions Ghana as a country where people can do business, people can trust the country because of our very position. Although it's not always the same because we have countries that were in chaos when they joined the Security Council. So it's likely that we can also have those problems. But if you take it at the surface level, there's going to be a lot of lobbying, and we stand to benefit economically from military cooperation, from cultural cooperation, which is normally the tactics for those from Asia, India, Pakistan, China, and other countries in that region are going to be lobbying us, establishing cultural ties. The other BRICS countries are going to be coming to us from Brazil to Russia and South Africa. They are going to be coming to us, lobbying us to support their opinions and interests in the Security Council and all that. So that will come with a lot of benefits for us. But we need to take advantage of the opportunity to use those benefits to improve our own internal security. And you can't have good security if you have poor economic outcomes for your people. So we need to improve our economy, improve the social situation of our people through these opportunities. Otherwise, going to sit there alone is a useless thing. But if you are there and you can make decisions that can change the course of action in the world, that can make sure that we create a better world, and that will bring benefits to your people, you stand a great advantage.
Doc, it's a pleasure talking to you. We will come to you as when the need arises.
Thank you very much for having me. I'm grateful.
All right. Enti abusiafo ene Dr. Vincent Azahili Mensa, oye security expert. And yene kwatwetwe enkomo no kai na hye nso Sage Media no ye marching live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM 40 minutes after 8. Wadwen chiro betumi dia ba ye bekenkan kama e dia ma on Facebook as well on YouTube, WhatsApp, and I said normal SMS and 0594 841 044 0594 841 044. Na asemwana meka no abatwa kokoto ya Ghana ya babe part of the United Nations Security Council. No, it is a good news, very good news, pa. Countries here call yes and two no na omoye mako 1 2 3 4 5 countries and a call yes and two so aba Ghana, Gabon, United Arab Emirates, Democratic Republic of the Congo, and the final one here, Islamic Republic of Iran. Countries numi and a koye say to abano. Ya 2 year na Ghana enya 185 and Gabon enya 183. United Arab Emirates enya 179 and a Democratic Republic of the Congo omunya 3 and a Islamic Republic of Iran enya 1. Eni parodo ekoto abano na omuye 190 eni pa ekoto aba wamutuwie ye no invalid ballot na say the say omo enye bi 0 and the number of valid vote cast so eye 190 omo nyina omo ye elects Busu Aziz and inti omo koto aba. We don't expect say omo to be as say no yet almost say into almost 2 years in Ghana emerge as the winner our baby part of the United Nations Security Council as a non-permanent member inti ayana washen so sa pepepe edi amame. All right, so that is a good news. It's a good news. Very, very good news. I was here, you're welcoming with a broad smile on our faces. It is not every day. And overbody enya no the enya. Eya no body yen so kakra. So ati ase. Eno na me ehunu say ampa. Ye ka say obi ewo the credibility defining say our credibility no. All right. So 43 minutes after 8 live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM meeting Obuoba Ofori Amanfo ma me say messages ni bia ba na me kinkan emfa ema wo. I mean kinkan messages so kakra. Obetimi de odi dia ba odi nya medru ya 0594 841 044 0594 841 044. It seems to say yen WhatsApp on and so yi bi kakra atweniti wo ho WhatsApp no WhatsApp on yen ho something which is the all right. Okay, but I will read some messages man who say e be trickle in ewaha inti I will read it in a jiffy. I'm trying say mekwako ready Facebook di anu ansa nanzo so afi na yebi nioma wa ha. All right, okay ebie inti ebie di ma making kan fama wo mo kakra. All right, inti messages ancroford aba through your Facebook page any teacher Kujo Tepa and you know so and what about say Ghana must be thankful to God for how far we dey ababa drew measures your mampani Akufo-Addo dey gu apronso no na nam subi ama yina ye kwen animu COVID-19 ye di so enkonim ntia enkoma chairman ode ne ho kwaku apia teacher Kujo Tepa and you know susu dia we dey eba ye no yanko ahoma no so na ye ni Yera Dankwa Smith enkomo or your former Central Regional Chairman Edima NPP na Yera Smith eso wa asemuka edi chire party mpanyimfo no your Thai friend say Bute Jema Bute anope ya mo achene ba Hinkan 93.3 FM so yeah wadaro mapumbo kodie ya mi adum ni mo pa Bute ye de radiase Empany says bomochichie free insu ase beka kire say aponkyereni ewu ayenye na chinie anaso wodencheme ewu ayenye na chinie wa be chairman da ade mo party MPP no mom check the welfare of mo grassroots no one sometimes into which mu saying
sometimes I na every free for be free and the percent make sure money na so say ya a grassroots for now. And one of 2024.
Ade omumu bia beka den na akire wo.
Omumu bia kan na check so my party you wanna check. But me start from youth organizer. Be a constituency chairman. Be a regular chairman 3 times in the minimum maker.
Na o wa breso o pe wo mo hweye.
Oh yes, why not? If you're over,
now, you too.
You free Kofu Abreso. You free 2024 about 2025. Who that in MPC because also they are. I say, sure say, oh yeah, Jubanoma and Noma Akoso. Can this for by almost second term, who's almost MPC and I what I didn't say the second term. Second term, you buy and me as I call you second, you know. You lose your MPC. It is because you have any other grassroots. You don't know how much it's worth here. I don't know how 2024 into me.
All right. Now, where the obi asem o kan say wetimi go through ababaye regional chair the biggest party to say NPP. Na ene o ka say mo nhwe the welfare of party grassroots for no a o so kura wa to hu sin o ana
me to be hu sin ta menya executive member you.
But still, I say, access to enjoy. Now, what buying and a tisso or part in a tisso, baby, you'll be ready as former regional chair.
Me, and yet, Bibi will be the mommy and contract. We saw over now from 2016. Me, contract will be a home. But I didn't for more. And yet, me, I'm me. Send him a better quality. Nepal also so part no yeah pay we feel wa kwalam so be babishim the special night and nya yes and wo ye pani no na wo access da bi abutu nya bibi inti no I was say o man kwala no chance I say man kwala no chance grassroots e show be na party to gina because you see e nyina ye nyini America kan e film kwala na be share nine no omo nia ni je bi omo de bo be da ba party be be to je mu e ba sa.
And we know all catch national executives, all catch regional executives, and our constituency executives.
They catch national executives, governing power now, and I make a show. Consequently, for local, I'm going to switch a grassroots now more.
All right. And I know, say, oh, pass my catch and coupon, I catch them from into the senior TB and penny for no. Omutie into omobete why dwene ho say obeye no in official form say obe documented ya come on so
me ya ono ba tv na kasa no tia on fa ma bontin when tia obi ba bontin
eno na ma
me say bi tia no ba ara say ma ba kasa se mu party who hear me. I can't be a mini free party. Because you see, I we see to come here. What I say? And I'm coming here so we enemy. But me your contract until I come here will be name me and now we cover me scano. Me you free just send this for. Me need me require me free just send this for. But and kwala na yema you be free no. Yeah so
Nia wo kind will be crass Sunday. Yes.
No we na physical obo ho a so e bia pani bi kra ba ne krom na wa chia police station chairman we ana mamo ha yesu akwa bi we MPP ni pa we nchira me na me go chia no we the fact say di pa na ko chia nkeke no kra no tumi di di krom mo bi e hu say yes ono so e ni pa like what for the heading.
And no crana will be a sending message yabana or say ono or contemplate on two things. Utmu say eno na ekoso sisi one. It could be say chairman bitter. Eno ye one. And a two because chairman person or baby into the chairman yakasa sa no crisis any onipa yi send message okay.
If I or ya dey kaka but I don't know for because Nadia, sorry, original now, Unya. What do I say? And now, I guess so, Brahma will be saying, Eoya. Thought I say.
In just say, we bitter. Me tear the Okana, we bitter.
Because I near Konami as a Ebasa because so we may bring Mudia in your campaign, Pana, say, Ebia, or pay. I didn't na name be and an offer to be in a open police and now soldier now open road. Of this you are way. Or call Minister of the Abobui. Or call Deputy Minister of the home because of that and also break a woman. Yeah, I'm not in chat yet.
Yes, we bitter.
Oh, Minia, okay, confess a name no brother me fair, quite a me for swab wow. From then I cried on what on you. Well, you're probably so what did the paper. So the water. So that say. Now, concern office so very crowd of queer ever fast say. appointment. Okay, campaign no ko for appointment so make campaign no ko.
Nti say metie de chairman kana chairman de wo yaw na ekasa. Nia
grassroots for that mama shi anan. Wọ́n na me bi wọ́n ho.
Eno obi ka chairman mintwa no eno kra na obi ka say what about the regional chairman? Sir, yeah, share the welfare of grassroots yi. Ama u table so that. Eni ya akotene chiri.
Maza. Opa, for central time on that chairman buti e wo e kono. Yeah, welfare necessary. You tell me. What time will be
na omo to abaniti a wona omo se de enti na omo to abaniti a because nya wo kan wo ye de ase nia
masa obi anto abanti me de me anu man ko bi
ebi a wo the grassroots at heart no omo nyina support na wo si fam
ye lusu 2012 no comes no yin ko ba fofo na nya so woni tru I was me twome ho me ba wo fo ba na me twome ho me ko fa obi ba e ni ba no so ba e ye tumi wini 19 out of 23 iti enye se obi a na anya wo ntimo de ya de what na me kana say me ma obi a contest me obi a na me na step down na me aso ko fa obi a if you say me ni obi twa boa nti also who how are they because what are they
and onipa na di ohwambo na apese wo san ba biem
no me san na biem
okay
me sa correct na obi a ba proba oboko anim now ko so ko bi wa sa correct hobi original why ya 3 times chairman was a call for chairman
anya se dia wo koche ayi national
se be kwa dia national so mo bu kwa nya domine so mo bu dia national na me ko
oh I see
but me no so me ko chairman be me ko first vice or something like that
I see all right I believe say nia wo pesa wo de to abonten no is well made evident enti ye de besi ha na bibia ni ya san ba biem now I the national vice chair position and so we wish you well.
Thank you so much.
All right. Yane former central regional chair Edima the new patriotic party NPP Yura Dankwa Smith yetai friend of chairman Bute and yere no kwatwetwe enkomo no. Interesting times I heard. Dr. Down Blow, Eddie on also the free prem so apusika ba ye. Or say last week, you know. Ohunu bayira kitikiti bi. Okobisa ne bo ahia ye say 20 Ghana cedis. E wokurumu and what tia musi. Hey! Is this Ghana in the voice of the former vice president and the late Kwesi Amisa Ata Nere Mame Matilda Amisa Ata in her voice? Is this Ghana? Hey. Na ade Ghana eye Gaza eni Kosovo mpapra so eye sare so ena afredi ya bayire ba akwa du 20 Ghana cedis. Debi. Eno ntin konkoda. Oye no so osan kubisa eye coke ya yenum yi o. Eno nso so se medium size no edru 4 Ghana cedis. Ose na 4 Ghana cedis. Ene edru 6 Ghana cedis. Ebe tese niema bo na ekosoro ntem omapani akufuado mesrew yebribi na sesi ya de wo Ghana no ya atonsuom wo Ghana na ya atonsuom sa party hia sika no eno ama Ghana na etonsuom omapani fix the nation yesrew pa enchiankoma Dr. Nana Ama Brown Clucher we a free Dr. Down Blow or the free prem so apusika ena ebaye ko mensa domi pillar 2 also eyin for no dey fix the country no wo mu we ni wo mu ni so mampani akufa do man wo fix ne dada and now nu kra kokoto about United Nations ya ji Ghana atumi o ka se ye gba kwasampa bra wo man mu a anka ye beji atum amampani fix the country ni munyanam de o fix the country kra na munyani a moto a mokeka no NDC for the momaye mo ho ayi kwasi basahia defo musuban tan ya modete Ghana ha no mo anwene ye ho omampani wo fix wo man no oman no amoba be sei no wogusu a wo fix And Chankoma Unimunyam Alexander Kwesiakwa or ye Achim Damra Shet Bidjani. Ye frame ko mensa Domi Pillar 2. And I'm the free Thomas and Hiabli TK. Or say more fire. Monkoswana Mututu Janisa. Nana Owusu OPD Sunyan and the free buyer. Or say President Tekufado to see idea seriously. Warrior Juma Ding Eddie a clinic NDC for Mercy a JDMD womanim. Emon baby kreti yano amo minor sign abo adwuma biom enti Ghana for monkoso anya abotrem fa mo mampanyine akufu ado na beye na gusu a wo ye waye bi mpo dada we efri nana owusu OPD or the free sunyan ena ba ye we mo so dey all right mami fa we into aso ha Haile Selassie as so dia odi abani Haile Selassie saying or say or the free goso or so one more foot soldiers de ma NPP no omo say one can say Professor Kenatifa omepa achewu debi na emum yesi empamo ne mfa ne free NIA ho anas one resign and this adia wo ye no ade nim guase pa na de bebre NPP for ene wo mo 2024 eni so ade hu no mo pese ebe mu no ena papa yi wo samia de agum Haile Selassie dia wodi free god so e de baye eno no ko men sansan de aba ma kenkan da ntimi nsan en repeat wa ha biom ena Stanley Joshua or say Ghana only face single problem nkwa Ghana a problem we facing in NDC for it's Ghana for woman in a ho NDC for asha sia wo moteta teten krofo achi aye fix the country no wo mo ye kwasi basashia de for why is kuro bi so porter wono a wonsoa wonya nso obi mesoa yenim wo mo Stanley Joshua edia wodi free ho bae no se Ghana never again see ebeto abadiama NDC yenko amane so ne ne Awambila Enoch oye PRO edi ema concern youth of Kwaibibrim Awambila oti yenka no peye mo ache de ba henkan 93.3 FM so Apo makode ede radiasi na ede benti na moma empanimfo 21 days ultimatum so man pa adwuma mamo a ede na mo beye
medasi ede kan bia onu wati fo ina ana ene kwa business kalo pop business and Chambo district
okay Kwai bi brem ni Denchambu nyina I see yentio
okay okwasi ni wo se abana nya den ebe medasi ebe so abana no sabe abana nya what do you do as a Ghanaian the rest that you want we demonstrate a peaceful demonstration although the adjective and the line when there peaceful demonstration that the can show one
all right indeed mamini kan misa mukuo no is it recognized by the state and as a municipality and our district na muo no is it recognized by them
me that's really yeah cause association freedom of the association and at this time is the youth okay and the youth is always the backbone of every constituency or every country such as that. So if a youth are about together to form an association, then you have a recommendation and a recognition. But the association is very vibrant in this constituency.
Enti momo dia mo recognize mo hono.
Yeah.
Enti mo speaking in more capacity as NPP4 and as a being a citizen of Ghana.
But absolutely, the kind of concern you that it doesn't fall into any politics or partisan. The kind of concern and falling under any political and the association there. And Obuoba sponsor of the and the young youth now they are around speaking to the government to put him on his toe Then I tell you, I don't know. This is the time to provide jobs. I'm a Quadribium district. I'm at the Chamber district. And your man, your man recommendation, the kind of jobs. Or yeah, it's not one this 2 districts are for maintenance. So yeah, and I'm going to fire and many here. I'm over to mom.
And what kind of Jumani bina my man or recommendation say Omrambi be in Famamo?
But that's the great. Yeah, the Chamber district is fight. There's your company, very GC company. I'm sure say what is that? I had GC company, the company, I bind the bar or back rubber shirt, no co. I bind back the shirt, no back member at all, no co. Or with the empty of the Ukraine or the middle chemistry, the Kedi, no co. Obinso is empty the bar of a Obergman or 7 and power. Not that I didn't come back, then with the Obergman. Also, this is the time I want to shoot, your right. This is the time, said the history company needs to be fixed now. And it's like, one night, I buy for 170 million euros to organize the bank. And a good initiative, because they have a money a good deal. Like I'm going to say, as compared to the bank and compared to the GC company now, because GC company have more workers, more than the other banks. And then we have to we pay more attention to more majority and I'm majority, and I'm the majority always carry the book. So I bind it for you, everything 10 million euros. Because of that company we buy. Or one value company, I need a better, I get quite easy. I'm a Sakuraka. Now, yes, our company, we are engineers, you're being a driver, you're being a teacher. You have a nurse, you have an accountant, and roll up in the dream. Those are here. You know, there's a bind by a Bastana, Nabuno, and Omukufiana, Omuyajumayan. No Omuya Ejuma, and the toss me recently. Yanfa small miners now are buying a good over betting a common count, yet make up. And saying that it's a buying on a mono in the interest of the state. So our board of mining should our mine. Yes. Yes. That's the open and that's open here at the way. That's what for many just to a Basana unemployment and because of the day. If you don't cap or establish that company, this is company now. And I got way by the company coming up with company or over a company with even across the nationwide and yet these 2 districts pay. So that they want to work over 2 million. The other one is 1 million, two districts, not 1 million and die nations now. Wow, Osha, what's the unemployment rate? Especially capital debris. And over by different districts now. And this is here, they are into farm plantation, also into farm. It's a way to farming. Farm plantation, I have quite to me and real. A bear, a shoe, so I bet soon down. Some of them are there. I have excellent on the initiative by a policy by a very good 1 district function and 9 of perfect. Nanka, the policy not to establish that factory. Oh, quite big brain municipal. That's it. And they all process it. Not add value to it. The big thing creating more employment. I'm a company to my but first, baby, a mining bar and another day. Obia bar and another star. The government actually used to know. So, and I said, here, you tell my answer. I think the break. The rest of the year, and yeah, sorry. Now, what you can over down, no be sure.
Yen so ye da se papa mi se won sem no eno an na wa chirichiri mu awie no emu ada ho nti ye hwe ni mu sem panimfo nso o mate o metu hu ana mode ama mo ye da se anopa yi. All right, yeah, that's it, bebre. All right, and inti near na twetwe enkomo yi ni din eni Awambila Enoch oye customer for edema concerned youth eye kwai bibrem ena denchembo omo nsem no ena omo aka no na sa asem kro yi ano ena odi ahenkan kwa me yebo wanzo so obeka bi Enti yebekọ ne ho na ye ne no akwa akotwetwe enkomo dia fa youth no nsem a omo ka no ho. But in the meantime no Emmanuel Kwame Esuman or say the hardship and high cost of living a cost wo Ghana no e unbearable na bibia nya adwuma eniama mu kwa na ekosoro oba Ghana ha no mu bibia ekosoro de enkosoro pe eyo mampani akufu ado ne performance a wo performing edima eye Ghana na ono de o ka kire Ghana for say nei lorry fare cry intumi ntua ne bo na aye din ye ni adwuma mpo ye unemployment no nso kwa na ekosoro bibia ye basa eni to de adesrede de to Ghana for eni mu say ebre ne so a eya na mo ankasa makoto aba e de akoba bia e de asundwe e de ebeba enchia enkoma Dr. Nana Ama Brown Kluche Emmanuel Kwame Esuman e de a wono so e de ebaye eno no onso betumi e de wo de aba na akenkan ne kama pa e de amount mahu se ebi mu nso asende o mo de afa SMS no fafa ho no mo fa bra ne enkenkan no nso mfa mawo ene se dem di kan ka kire mo no em se yen WhatsApp no bibi kakra bi ato no we see a friend me making kan SMS no mu amade fa ho no o see a friend me Dazi Alfred ye tai friend no yele o see abozege moye the best in the east and kasa Dazi, thanks for coming through with your message. And we will say hello Ainkan FM adwuma mo eye no oh mo above all FM stations nyankopon hira mo pa na me pa chewu minka nchiro mampanya kufu ado say crisis a ekoso tertiary schools mu no ede ebe no mo ye ede afa ho me de ba de bia meka na ade chime na mo nso so metemu nka bia me de message ne beba Maakye so ne mabi sampanin for say ede ebe no mo ya fa tertiary adesua ho sanse yes ye promote free senior high school a enkwala ni wi a eye tertiary no mbeko no mbe wi ne tertiary no abo adabiridwa asema principal Mr Principal ibisa ne say ne hefa ene enkwala no ebekwa akotoa wo mo adesua eso yeda sibebre odi free kokobin ene ba ye Mr Principal edi free kokobin ena eba ye mpa chonso betimi do de aba 0594 841 044 0594 841 fafa normal SMS na yenkenkan emfa emao mamenchia chinsufo anopai chinsufo anopai mamu nyina ache mo kwai bibrem district kede ne important ho no chinso ho no na mesofo panyini Apostle Emmanuel Kweku Asare ye friend Kweku Nkroma ukoni kurum dia mo friend Kweku Nkroma ni kurom ne ho me mano good morning me chia chinsufuo nyina me yidi sam ho ye nyame adom sanso so ena maame Patricia ye taifra o sister Pat wonso so kurom ne ho chinso me ma ukurom fuo nyina achia no peyi na me chia di ma me nko bompata mi ankasa mi yonko mi ankasa mi nipa madamfo pa Holy Stone Smith Amponsa me ma good morning ma hu se true we sa o kire sampa o hwe yen utie yen all the way bompata inti me checha bompata fu nyina maduru bompata ne de na ma mentwam nko krofa e na domfe yenso ya bobra Ghana ha o ya chini bompata nyabu krofa domfe mpotem ho nyina me checha mu nyina me jirisa mo ho ye inti ye checha ho de na ya tie sim akodubi odubi akwe wa bobra odubi for some ho ye anopa yi me jirisa mo ho ye pa odubi for me checha mu nyina no payi anyways nyankopon ya adom akwasia da ebe kwasia da edi anim ya eya agya no da na onim bibi Ainkan FM say ye ba be ya ade a se Father's Day duru ho bi abekai because maame fo ni bi a hyeda pa se omo ti omani ato free hwe se nyame yadoma kwasi ara ye Father's Day nanso yente ho kitame yente hu jame abrabo e be ye ni maame fo yi oh debi eni ti nyankopon ya adom a kwasi ada edi anim ya kwasi ada edi anim ya ene dwo ebra wuko ya wo efie memene kwasie yi Anka na FM ye free health screening e dia ma yem papa nom nko a oyo oba ye muwa wo me ka kire wo because mo ye sisi ya che mpani se wan kasa wutiri hu a ye yi bone ye wo papa fo ni bi wo no a omo ye responsible indi sa papa fo no omo ne ye ba be ye free health screening e dia ma wo mo no e papa fo nko a mema nko ampa chew free health screening we oba bi anka ho e mema nko ha glass nko ha me pa chew e mema nko ha enti kwasiada ebei Ahinkan FM any Odan Community Hospital yaka yentoma ba ano any edi free health screening edi bra yem papa nom unmi se kwasiada ebe ye Father's Day enti yesi yem papa nom mra na yen check wo mu prostate emfama wo mu free omu sugar level free omu blood group aha na ede no na we kwa me maybe because nkofo bibre wo no a omu nim omu blood group omu nim so omu ye A so omu ye B they don't know so ye O omu nim na so yem papa nom ye mom akwanya no na ya check ya mom ahu omu blood group a omu wom na ekokoba so omu behia mo a omu ahu no onipa kro mekọ no akwakoje mmoa ye wi ani asan ahwe omani e de ama wo mo papa nom nie ye bejeje mo somate yem papa nom ashima amefo no ba wo de jawo mo enti anu nso so ya to din se ejapa mo Ahinkan FM ya to din se ejapa mo nyame adoma kwasi adayi yanimu heya yamfa nko ba bia yanimu heya Ahinkan FM yanimu heya ena papafo no ye no mo betena ase ye behwe omo prostate omo sugar level omo blood group ni ye wia ya test omo ani ya check dia ma wo mo ye wia ni asan didi anom agye ani api so eye Father's Day mo sisi ya che ma yenkwa ho ma no so me konkwa twetwe nkomo wi me ba na me sama metwa so nchiri bu ma wo ye celebrate fathers in a grand style and inti ya no ache ne so dia ma me yera kwadwo ado oye governance analyst wabene ye ba na mamuo ye nya abotre nchirechirem ema obi ante ase a opani omunim de na ade ba ko ne se anopa awia anwumre se why busy kura no a out of sa busy schedule no oni atwetwe nkomo yera kwadwo oti ye nka anopa yi ye mo ache
when you are major so as I so happy Father's Day in advance was the Ghana harmony yeja janu majaw kay Mother's Day and by this time
ya sha se ye hu dede
kay ya sha se pomu de wuro kiti tanzuno pa mama fo ne chew ayomo ya omo ma yen so papa no so no kenso edu ye mre so a intrimu ye yende
za
aya ni srede ne ye de to mo
za inti kwasiada say no ye ya adwene say ye ne Odan Community Hospital akan yentum abano a papa fo yi ye benyom ho abotra dan wo ma agege wo mo so enya senketo akra
o se ye Bible no krampa o tinki no se Yesu ni honoma eja no na otina honom e de ma yen tine bibia ba yen eja no na iti yeso ye wo se yeso ye didi yeso na yetimu ye de na ye hu yen important role nso a ye play e wo dada akwala no nso no ne ntitiye mu ene yen nyina nso no oman no efa pemu no nyina no nso bebre na minka asinti no oba ye we na so bebre na etina emema eso ndi esre bebre ejano mo nso a kwaye mo ho se ukwohye obi nyinsen a na wayi wani na wo de akwala na tene ma me so no nso no we nim nyina aka ho bi nti na edu mre bi na ejano mo nso na ye twa yen eja. Every father must be a responsible father so that on Father's Day we can celebrate you.
Exactly. All right. Erinti ma yenso so on behalf of Maakye team, you know, yeah, we share one so happy Father's Day in advance. All right. Yantin simni ni enkomo kani mampanin John Ejekum Kufuor se Ghana ya pa ye ho ayenhu ya sene mu nyina ya pe obi de ho ntansa kwa akoto na boboa no a enye Dr. Kwame Nkrumah one ne adwen
akrame da senchi ankoma ya tiefo nyina ene wapamfo mo wo studio ho no nyina no ya share political history there were post-colonial ansana abrofo ne ba ye ebedi nyen so no na eyeye nananom ahemfonum enana na omoye yen empanyimfo ene yen kandifo a omohwe yen so enti na ye wo sana hene ye wo benkum hene wo nifa hene ewo mpaboa hene ewo bibiara omo no ene modern day Ghana no eye ministers ne MPs ne we nyina no efi hono no ene ye ba colonial era no from the governor to the district governor no to Queen Elizabeth no enemy we nyina no omo no mo say a new political system edemaye political system no ene chirete intino bibia ni a e was say every district eba regional esan so no antona ko national na bedu national no so kampo ansana akọ abrochirememu akwa kudu no ho antona wetini e de amaye intino obroni ne hihye no ma no according to ono ne nti ase about governance and politics enumuru ene ye ka ase intino obroni na di yenso nti ye oreyen enkoa ewo yen aye memu na ye bi say enkoa na waye yen no na sebio na still na slave trade kosu ana still na no na enkrofo comedy enkrofo ana na sambre no na ye bu enkrofo ewo abonten ana sambre no na ye tonwade ana ye de form na ye ton ana na ye bi say hu say o hwe yen so aboa yen ama ye timi epumpon ana say o hwe yen so deprive yen nia e wo say ehia yen ni e wo say ese yen efata no obroni no eji efien sem ana nia bibia wo hono ma na ye very very clear with our history they say obroni ni ba ye no o ye oman ni ye enya so mfaso esan say ono so ti oman ni mu bi enya so mfaso esan say ono no wo technology e wo the know how no ultimate mining and natural resources no that when ye bi so e de aboa yen yen no na ye sinti yen tiase entino obroni kokko no onfa ne ntoma pa ene ne bibia no enfi ye man mu no nko they said the black man is capable of governing himself and deciding for himself minia obroni ni ko ye no enyuma no ojama yen no enhyehyedie no ojama yen no foundation na wa build no minia enemi disase empona ye tiase ana empona ye wo technology na anase ye wo nimdie no na ye betimi dia toa so ana eli to ba won say obroni ni ko ye no enuma bebre ejijejaaye ansa na edu pempenso bi no yen na nanom no omunya asa nimdie ne sanse omu ko suku enya asa nimdie no edi be build it up and designing a new model of governance. Your district, your assemblymen, your MPs, your ministers, deputy ministers, your science or substantive ministers, or your president, your vice president, your cabinet, your chief of staff. It was a new model, it wasn't in existence. Administrative structures that will inure to development. And after they were administrative structures, now we are just building it to protect me. No, Brunina, Yana, and I want that with that Okono, and after thing. Senior, then Mr. Plan Bay, and I have Papa coming from Emponuna or Brunini Air Cono. O Jaya, and I said, Plan Ben and coming from a better was the Mayan. And they, Minia, and they, then let's say, won't see a Hinkai FM studio. That's how you want to consolate as morning show host. Nasa ye me kojo ado na me ba aba betinetira. Esa se mo wo structure any mo plan for the morning show no. Me ba eno na me ba beto aso. Se me woni media, u producer, programs manager, ene be boa me so to my thing. na wahwɛ me so na waboa me guide bia ansa na metumi aba bɛyɛ perfect ɛwɔ m minia obroni ni gya ɔman Ghana kɔɔyɛ no wana na osuso Kwame Nkrumah ne na pamfo na sen ɛna na ɔboa na ɔkyerɛkyerɛ mo sɛnea na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ nɔɔma pɛfa anasɛ Nkrumah starte bibia new bibia nso wɔ hɔ no ma wo hyɛ aseɛ foforɔ nso a minia wobɛyɛ mistake enti na ɛwɔ corrections wɔ hɔ no ma nkɔfɔ kɔ ɔmanim no maba ɔmokɔ ɔmanim no maba no ma yɛ mistakes ni nyinaa ansa de will be perfect ɔfa bi so no meni yɛ papa kufoɔ ɛyɛ adwen ɔfa bi so no mede toboa nso ɛdan no ɛsan sɛ woyɛ dan a PNDC government no ɔka ho bi yɛka the governance structure and the political history of Ghana yɛ papa kufoɔ yɛyi ne din fi mu a ɛnyɛ yɛ bi waba bɛyɛ president for 8 years enti yɛbisa sɛ mpo sɛ obi ɛna ɛbɛbuilde foundation no for 2-bedroom apartment mpo ɛna foundation ni yɛ papa ɛna wo sese yɛse yɛde wo na abɛsi so nti yɛ foundation ni yɛ ɛdeɛ foundation na ɔyɛ papem bɛn na ɔtumi de bɛsi hɔ enti yɛbisa yɛ papa kufoɔ sɛ sɛbi ɔbɛtumi akriticize yɛ papa Nkrumah ɛmmom ɔno nso nya akwanya no baayɛ no ɛnhyehyɛedeɛ bɛn ɛna ɔbɛtumi de tena hɔ no ma yɛbɛtumi ayɛ development yɛbɛtumi ayɛ the accelerated development no ɛdeɛ nhyehyɛeɛ ɛna ɔde to hɔ nom anaasɛ ɔno nso ba bɛtoa a deɛ yɛ papa Rollins a wanya ne baabi kɔ no nso no ɔbɛtoa so ɛbɔ ho ban kakra ɛdɛfɛdɛfɛ naa ɛkɔsi sɛ ɔno nso ne 8 years no ɛbɛso ɛna ɔde kɔɔyɛ anaa nokorɛ free compulsory universal basic education ɔde baayɛ ɔsan so ɛde free maternity care ɛbaayɛ NHIS ɔde baayɛ ɔsan so ne metro mass ɛbaayɛ ɔsan so ɛbɛbiebie schools no bi mu ɛde maayɛ ɛyɛ bɛyɛbisa sɛ ɛno nkoa ne fapem a yɛhia ama yɛtumi akɔ yɛnim as ɔman anaasɛ nka bia nhyehyɛeɛ foforɔ bi wɔ hɔ a nka wobɛtumi ayɛ na nka wobɛtumi de akɔ yɛnim anka ɛnɛ yi ɔntumi ɛnka sɛ nti no yɛ papa wei baeɛ na wanyɛ ne yie yɛ nana wei baeɛ wantumi anyɛ ne yie media ɔman panyin biara otitiri ni biara sɛ yɛma ɔkwan ne opportunity sɛ ntibra na bɛtena ɔman mu na sɛ yɛ biribi a ɛwɔ sɛ wotumi yɛ biribi sɛ nka me na mekɔ criticize yɛ sɛ yɛ papa Rollins yɛ papa Kufuor yɛ papa Atta Mills yɛ papa John Mahama anyɛ adeɛ a na Nkrumah anyɛ adeɛ a me deɛ ɛyɛ ɛsan sɛ menya opportunity to be a policy maker to be a government official ɛda dabi da na so mo nya saa no ɔmo menya saa no mo etwa ɔmo ho ɛbɛ criticize a me nia ɛyɛ na me tirimu ɛyɛ me na kakra na mmom no it is a test case for us all to criticize and to build Ghana together me nia.
All right. Watch the chirim and into we kura no question bi ansa ni hɔ biom. Ye bɛda se bibia ni ye bɛsan ba biom. Why? Amen. Yamin kan so ho. Yewura Kwadwo Ado ɛyɛ governance analyst. Na yene no ɛkɔtwetwe nkɔmɔ no. Ɛyɛ ɔmampanin dada John Ejekum Kufuor na dwenkyerɛ. Ebinom ne yɛ adwen, ebinom nso so ɛne no ɛnyɛ adwen. Sapepepe na tie no na ma democracy no timi yɛ akono no. All right. So in the meantime, happy birthday going out to the multiples award winning model. Osan a CEO Edima MJ Elegant. Nidin James Adachi Yevu. Hey, Mame, so happy birthday going out to you. Multiples award winning model CEO MJ Elegant. Osanye brand ambassador. Company now ye brand ambassador Eman de Menka. James Adechi Yevu. Your Thai friend Muje. Happy birthday going out to you. May you live to see your great grandchildren. Happy birthday to you. All right. Yanto aso na sada bidi kan ka kire mo no nyame ya adom a Sunday ahenkan Father's Day aye ne Odan Community Hospital aka bomu aye de bremo no awurade ebe yire se yakuma pam ebe ye keke ye be celebrate ye janom ye be ma janom ahunu se wɔn nso so ayɛ adeɛ so ate aseɛ thank you ɛne nti yɛnim ha ya yɛn anim ha ya ahenkan anim ha ya ɛna yɛne ɔdan community hospital aka bomu a yɛde saa free health screening and wellness fair yi yɛde ɛbrɛmo o prostrate yɛbɛkyɛke sugar level o blood group ɛna afei wani ɛnso so yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ bibia deda na kwan mu kama nti kwasia da nyame yadom a ɛyɛ na de wani akyerɛ mu nonso pɛpɛpɛ na doctors no mpanimfo no nyinaa resource persons no nyinaa na ɔmaba na yɛne ɔmo ahyɛ nkɔmɔtwetwe no ase yɛn kwa ahoma no so na yɛne odi ahenkan Kwame Yeboah the award winning journalist ɔyɛ na adwuma wɔ Despite Media ahenkan ɛnso so ne deɛ a ɛnkyɛ bɛyɛ media conglomerate ɔyɛ CEO Odi Media Networks Odi oti anka no pɛyɛ mo akye
Yuzu Obuoba
adaro mapo mbɔkɔ deɛ
Adumara kwa mihoya na muzo e
nyame ehu ye mɔbɔ anɔpɛ yi na good kwai bibrem ne denchemo mabun nsɛm a wɔn ka about adwuma a wɔn kyerɛ sɛ aban na ma wɔn adwuma a kuro yi aban ne nkom wote ya wo so bɛka bi yentie o
medase jedika no me chetifo nyina na maintenance no me chawo menim adwuma ko mo pesa aban edemom na menim die ntia omoso mama aban na 21 days omo adwuma menim adwuma bi aban bi tumatintim within 21 days so wadaro mo bu ne dim ko mutumi kire
okay
adwuma pɔtɔ mo pesa aban ya na nke wo be defa
all right nti ye no omo akasa anopa yi nti sɛ ne be ya won so submission ne be ya so easy nti no one omo kire sɛ oba akwatia yɛwɔ akwatia GCB wɔ hɔ bɛpem ne yɛnka ho asɛm yɛde nkredu atum twire ɛno akyi nso ɔmo yɛ abɛ ɛne nneɔma factories nketenkete bi wɔ hɔ no mo a aban yi wayi nakwa n'ani nkɔ ho ɛno na ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ nka aban ne yɛ biribi fa ho a nka bɛboa kora create employment ɛde ama mmabunu na ɛwɔ hɔ no nansen ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo teyɛ sɛ aban ne kɔɔ France 170 million euros wakɔgye ɔde bɛyɛ den a ɔse development bank ɔde bɛhyɛm na mpanimfo tumi kɔgye bosia bɛhyɛ bank mu a aden na kɔgye bosia no bi ɛmɛhyɛ abandoned project any factories a ne nyinaa ɛnɛ yɛhwehwɛ a yɛnhunu yi
medase akin sɛ ka dika ne momumu ne kasa na bi bisa sɛ ɛba ne sense ne ku wi sɛ deɛ factories ka na project awdo ya ya to me pay fi ekokoduru sa yes the coming na ni abre mante no e bia sa bi no mpidi bia yo o mutwo menyo munya bibia anyo to mo de mo jahye ne ni so hye be ka ma gya kira ban se e kado inye be yeduma mpese bi din se mo ne mpese be ye de mfata ti ma yeduma ne yenye but first question is bi se on say akoti diamond o kan GCD na ya tum twetwe be ba ne se ne gui oh yesu ene ye ban yɛde ɔmanwe mu no aban ni wɔfa aseɛ to bi kɔyɛ aban dwuma a sɛ bi gu ewu mfa no ho ya yiri bɛrɛ na fitewete sam ugo bisa GCD wa ubi tumi tran 5 years 7 years 10 years until a light builder na over sɛ adwuma no etum bon gua ne begu because emaso sɛ yɛ demand bibia Yesu museum say at the corner the say yensa ɛdeɛ yɛ bit my phone na kwa bi so aban so before yɛ take a day kwai ɔmo yɛm ɛnwo ɛnyɛ nne tie bi yɛntimi refine na yɛntimi yɛ bibia man tɛn ma ba wi poly wi university yɛntimi seven pomo manko school kwa no obi tuma farmers laborers am bit ma yɛ apan tuma ma na yɛ yi yɛ de nhyehyɛ ne susu yɛ de agu ho yɛn pɔtɛm hɔ a yɛ di ho kɔma ɛnɛ kwa bi pem ne events at Denchembo, Yakotia Manantia, sorry. And yet, Diamond yet to fit it and trade the Bepimene. Almost to Diamond more than 150 years ago. Look at their root networks. I won't put them all. Say, I agree, say, individualistic, Taco from Kwan Ye, na win Diamond Della, na ye to Dinachi, no Kwan Ye say Tam, no masters, no air sofa, yes, a massa. Young fellow, welcome, say. A good year, Yanko Pondia Dum ye, a quan ban ye befa soa, 7 year back for dia e yo mamuni nyana nyame dia che e na kopia kwatia nti obi anya bikano akwatia de hye wo mpotemo de at least they should benefit from the mineral and so mini amenu me di wa dance say any yehunu yehuni sa aboro so ka libre a hungry mind and angry mind they come di media nyani abre interwen kwat na bakwa sem that say a mind to bekati ye ma buying 21 days confirmation factory now factory ben is within 21 days factory ben one to one factory what been go bibri what been go a benchambo what been go achimuda so inti I think say your leaders and your candy for no so more kwan and the man can eat me at the one because I branch in Muadi and then a near turning into there's no answer. My name of Futa Medima man can say, Sammy, you're smart, you're sharp, when young wine. We almost come Kaita Bani Gateway. Woman, you get one moment, almost take a quadro tabacuno, a bit demonstration, and the Peru, and in Yawi, in Jenny, over maybe judgment, whatever some. I mean, more clear cut examples. Zoom Lion Ghana Limited. Mr. Joseph Japan there, Jospon. Man benda baji ku former mu pension of taxes Zoom Lion in a 20 ball as Sujata. And the whole world is counted among one of the big guys when it comes to business. Isn't say Uncle Credient, who's a timid man and also the criminal. I'm a never seen university kura, Sabi a check when fast by a kura, the fee. Na yitimi Daniel never yet in nam. Na yesadi song kamia, a didiguma. Over a month for me, besides say, think I buying the beer Zoom Lion can also cast. Thank you. Taught the same. Come on, oil refining at the same. Into Manjano, Omu Kamu Kai no, say ye preguma. Saban su chum su no be adwuma. Omu fa to watch or donye near den enye. Na adwuma no entumi na. Si anya ni sa na de be be kama kwa ban su ye preguma. Na adwuma no so ba na na kokwasa aseye ni wia woyere wo fa kebu no ko fie wo wia woyere no de ko enwi ye ya no buga lo mensa no ko de ko bampisi o ko so nkunso no de akoba emoko ye suma saninti e na ban inume nyina asini klase a enyi ani vamra oda fo nkem enchom so bekem EPL ana ye so me oda so me ni ade sabam ni nyina wen kwete sam aya ho nyuma de bibie o manya mu fa so wie ma bo mu sika na dan $1 o mo de ko ye na ne aka adwam so the last one the even se metre bedro no se enye bibia nso ne de ani to aban eso aban no nya ba ko fa aban o ye mi odi an kan ma ban nipa ko a owo kede owo kwatia owo takrase owo dwinase owo so abe owo aboabo man so akroso ye nyina ya ban a mpani fa se ba ko fo ne sentiment kata twedi ampokwa bi in terms of Omako Suku Kakrano, Suku Nadio Musian, they should begin to implement it. Use your mind. Use your mind to create your wealth. For what dream Abo Bra? Unipebu wa Nimdia Winyan or Tensa Bamba Baby Juma answer to an among, which is very bad. Our area is a farming community, which must say you could because and you maybe you're clear. Maybe clear. So, into the next 7 to say, Omo. Shingu aban so say aban mo magman me no mo yadwen me mo no so mo timi sa o madwen no mi so bibia se enkrate yen eyisika se tam poetry eyisika ebia no bi ni dwetre kese a no de se sa joma ni mo yase na wadi buo so to say udi huni kan bi betima nya mo we so say branti say the si comfort na say the ubum penfonti me nya na meboa no ana na di se de we de betima ni no the many between your name, Namaso, my support on one way or the other. See, and since I should bound we say, you know, the back come in Kusiaga. The final one, yes, a message and penny for you, Pumons to say. Said the name of J. Bang, a cow as a midi customer. Miss Re. And penny for Potamus to Pija, I am on couch. Now, only be the human come, now until one I don't make you way. Yanko to ba masumesi yanko to ba mobintino na se ebiye na yanko yinchi enko bi enuma na manter ma ba wonu so nya binya na yusu on 7 fa so be na wo so a we be do no ka so no bo to be ni we che ka to ko fa ne no ma na no munko because obrigo ya uba ye pomo a buja se ni panye e na twa nya ta ko ntia okko bi enuma ama manfo nya biye. It is very bad. very, very bad. Tinana J. Banikan and a crack. And from where the actual say could be no Kuma Boku, a Beguboku, and for switching Uncle. Into me, moment, there are some mountain a quambition, without making a quambition also, a queer footism at the moment. Say, young gun of Wayana Band, the Gumanswa, the Sinkaty external. I use to start. One penny for a more person. And the current trade and industry minister, Evangelista Lancha Martin, no, he's the head of the government special initiatives. I use to start. Oh, the young no banking, I'm saying, staff and your Gary, and saying, is some near the other. You good and a bad one. And you're going to find a lay. So, in the year comes up by my bino, Mummy, will say, a bounce of to buy me to be a bank, and I go quite a minimum. So before Bizamia.
Asam de eno an waka ne mpani se asempe tia nti kakra waka yi yegidi se mabunu so mutie no omo dibi ato omo kotodwemu omo de bebo bra nti anopa de beka ne se yedase ene afutu emu ohwam
me da aseminya
opani ya ne twetwe nkomo yi ne din odi ahenkan Kwame Yeboah CEO Edema Odi Media Networks na ene watuyefo mumye nyina mfa bi fa mo bra me gidi se ye de bobra mfa so beba bebre ama yetimi atwa ne bebre na ne atie nie nyame ya adom a Friday me say Friday kwasiada Sunday yes kwasiada ebe ye de ajanom edano ni nyina te se oba mpotem ha no de ya Father's Day ni nyina wa henkan ha na ye ne odan community hospital akoka bom and ye di free health screening e de brayem papa nom umsa o makoyen papa nom ti ye wo se ye check wo prostate e de ma wo ye be hwe wo sugar level ya hwe wo mani na omo blood group eno so ya hwe e de ama wo kwasia da e be ya ahenkan animu ha e na be koso we animu ha non so pepepe na doctors no health practitioners in our around na ye baba be check ye be sha sia ye checking no and inti ya no a che nso e di amame 7/10 na ya pon na ne wo mu ni se ye check mu wia ye be bo nwom ye be di asa ye wia ya no nyoma bi kakra so ade ase ye be gi yani ejanom mumu bi no mo ye japa ti mo abre and inti ni ye say ejapa mo ye bi e ma ni bi na omo ye boni aye ntira nanso ejane mu bi ye good ejapa mo ya de enti na me yadom a kwasia da ya ene ye hye ye machine nyina wase ho na ye bogum za enti kwasia da jano momra ma me fo me pa cha we die mo fa ma janom why test na ye be no oba nka ho ma me nsi su biem oba nka ho ye mema no nko na ye be yo mo test no oba nka ho bi ena bema no so awon so wo ba no enye so ye bema kakara o ye bema na ntinu aba da bi ye wo responsible mema wo mo asem ne ye kan enye ne ono okoda nkrom ohia ne mentohwe no asore ne nam bi da bi wo de wo ba ha no a ebe mo aso ayehye ebe pam no kra me ka kire wo no inti responsible fathers we need them here na yen check wo prostate sugar level blood groups and afei omo ani yen san en check emfa ema wo o pese udi bibi ba be sponsor yen ebia me di nsuo ba be supporto ebia me bra mu say like you want to sponsor ye be bodin enso wa ha ejanum I was here celebrate you omo in a grand style omo ya de and inti ya no afre number 0244 878763 or your company you want to sponsor 0244 878763 that is the number to call na yenje wo so kama pa nyame ya adomo a abrempon na muntu Friday nso beba so last Friday no ye di opani pa wa bene and Jeff International School oko enkran a eho ne wo na oko nkran na wi schools are omo ye very 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 sharp good omo facilities top notch untumi nkenkan enyi and Jeff International emfrim na opani on da no yera Abraham Afawua mo amutie ne nsɛm 50 pesos ɛna ɔde hyɛ abrabɔ ase obi so ɔboa hwɛ wonnim ntra ɛne nti Friday we nso ya no watie bi 7 to 8 odi ahenkan Kwame Yeboah the international killer the Abozege man ɔno ankasa abɛtena dwam na panyini a ɔno na ɔbɛba so this week no nso enche throughout the week no yɛde ne din de bɛto dwa ɛde ama mo K Asenso Limited ɛna ɛma wɔn nkonnwa ma wɔtena so na wɔn de saa interview no ɛde abrɛ mo efia da bia oba ahenkan adwuma mu ha no mo a nkonnwa a wɔha nyinaa ɛyɛ K Asenso Adaroma ɛna ɔde ma yɛn swinging wheel office chairs na wɔpɛ akonnwa a wuti mu a wutimi dandan wo ho quality wooden chairs nkonnwa a yɛde nnua papa ɛna ayɛ ne nyinaa yɛ K Asenso Limited authentic bookshelves ɛyɛ K Asenso hɔ ɛwɔ sɛ wunya bookshelf a book ne document ne nyinaa wɔbɛpake ne nyinaa wɔ mu kama so wate aseɛ na nkura nkɔne ne nkɔdwonso dwonso nguso nkɔwewe nkɔfa ɔha mfa mmerɛw ebiara akɔkɔgye obi document na ɛwɔ hɔ wanhwɛ so yie pɛ na ɔkyena bi akɔda ne kasa tenten ɛne anum baaba yɛ ɛna tie bi ma me agya tie bi ma me saa mepakyɛw saa deɛ ne deɛ nyɛ ɛne tin mekanfo K Asenso wɔn mu book shelves no ɛde ama wɔsɛ kɔkɔ pibi tɔ Seka Dabraka of Iran Clinic Kaneshi Flamingo Road in Subehunu K Asenso Limited wo ho. Frame was 0302257209 0302257209 and 0302919739 0302919739 K Asenso Limited. Yabajo also say home of quality office chairs and book shelves. South Bremura Bank is saying control say ya floaty and shares. Yeah tongue wo adoma daso. Kring ba ko ye saying 91 pesos. Nsefo 1 Ghana cedi cry nru. Enti me pacha wutie me na wo pe baby di usika akɔhye na daakye onsa ka. Me kanfo South Bremura Bank ene dia mawo. Corner koto shares ni bi. Obetimi atododo bi a wo pe na emom 1 tokra na wo se wotimi to 500 shares. And once wotimi top below that, yes, I was a 1 tokra no 500 shares the ultimate top. Now, 500 shares no, and much as any bonus sum 4.55. Can you see cano? Now, a nadia a 455 Ghana cedis, 455 Ghana cedis. Not to say 500 shares no, no. When it jehona bepeso beto forms ni bia branches see koho na kokofa form no. And top forms and the yen tongue a free nibum shares and the tongue and it is offer form no now feel we are me pacho no to your moka I was our branch in a ho a wha peking crying to your moka branches in ye you will be watching us say or dan asama kese akwitia new abrim asene and afi a prade and it is a wutie me or including in mu abeko yem office ho no akwa form no afele ne kama eni ma de kan akwa fele ni valid photo based ID card. We are talking about a voter's ID card, no old one no now what they call traveling passport, driver's license and I want so I'll be timid no so e dia call card ya bebubo din wo mu bia obeti me dia call now assign the tax identification number 10 now they account home national identification card and only a friend of Ghana card. Now the no swaka home. Now if what the passport size photo ba konso e the account home send be ya or documents no ye de be bosso na a reflect your office was say ampa won so o ye part of us. O the account number and so be ka home san say o kwa ko to ade na ade so your to a unya so mfaso. Sa mfaso na ubenya na your friend say dividends. Inti o the account number ne man ya na de mfaso ne de gu account account now will be provided ya man no na ye de atum kama ai 0501 584890 0501 584895 and number adaroma obefre Samsung 0501 584890 0501 584890 and 0501 633188 0501 633188 South Bremura Bank there yahote din say Obuafo na nyame ya adomo a business news ye de beba from 1 to 1:15 ne ekoso adwadie ene sikasem mu bonsi yesi nkonwa ne de nyina de bremo Aisa Opinto herbal tea opese o boost your immune system ente sa na o check wo body acidity bacteria na wodi padua ni mo no opese o detoxify wo nyina me kan fu Opinto herbal tea no ene dia ma malaria typhoid and jaundice ni nyina eye Opinto herbal tea and me kan fu ama minta herbal tea no so beboa na cholesterol atete so asan ayiwu free diabetes emu na wo blood pressure ekosuru bum bum no so atumi aye hu bibi e dia ma me pa cho Opinto any minta no obepe box ne baako na wayi bag miensa fatu nsuom sima miensa konum so na wanom omfa sichiri anasa milk enka honom ne raw Medulla herbal tea no so a migraine asrobin etete hemorrhage Parkinson disease also adima na wonse so we adwuma kakra bia na wa brain tumor anase moja na pese dia frusane we ni padua no mu damaged brain cell ena etete wa wonso de ne medulla herbal tea no eno nso bepe box ne ba ko yi bag miensa fatwa diem fansu gu ho sima miensa konum so o de ewo atere mienu e de beka ho umfa sichiri anase milk enka ho na wanom mepacho upebia to manfo wa chimdan mobeko Kennedy drug store na chimesi drug store abu drug store omunyina wo achim odan precious chemical shop ewo achim ewisa woni market no ene di ehwe animu frɛ Kwesi Herbal ewo 0244 413 247 0244 413 247 and 0248 15 2323 0248 15 2323 we ene number be frɛ wo mo nyumaku ya da roma ene free juoda copy mu fiada Maakye ye di ebremo wabra no nsia abo apam sima aduasa ekopim se nondu ebebo. All right, baby ayadru no 49 minutes after 9 live on Ahinkana 3.3 FM. Baby ayadru no nim dada eye Ahinkan ehiasem ene di ebremo Ahinkan ehiasem ebiem Ahinkan ehiasem aha last one Ahinkan ehiasem afeyenu mu kakrai Radio Papa Abozege. Thank you too. Happy birthday going out to you, Nana Okonji Abo Joshua, or United Arab Emirates. Yama happy birthday today. Sansuna enkoma Jack Elijah ene ya wonso birthday. Kwejo Hazard ene ya wonso birthday. Joshua Yeboa also ene your birthday ena James Adachi Yevu Yefrau Moje ene eya wonso birthday. Yesterday was your birthday, Emmanuel Daniel Akese onso so na enra eya wo birthday. Nyankopon tumu nyina nkwa nam na wo mama koma so ade emremu na yadru wodachi ntidia and then yeba bekasa afa ho. It is about fix the country. Omanfo omo abenase omo ayade they are fixing abenase. Into the diasporans na more contribute to sika nyina no ohene ba pacho be project we ni why good me pacho betimi join your Facebook Ahinkan 93.3 FM and YouTube nso ya Ahinkan 93.3 FM na hwe adwuma nwanwaso benasefo police station, you know. I made a promise, so we will make sure say you see police station every year. And from time to time will be so mema will update the ekoso wo ho na mamwa ya aware send e be ya obehunu sampa ye the okorie any this project na chi na ya asase no so ye mane nka ho and wom koto onwea de ba ye betwitwa foundation no ni nyina ye wo pictures wa ha na ene no ye project omo lay foundation omo sha secretary to exactly omo to blocks no very good and it's more joining your Facebook no abenase police station no eno na wonu say ya live ye foundation no come omo the blocks no so akwa kugu ho. Yes, this is part of fix the country initiative nibia very 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 good from the foundation twitwa foundation no and it's asante mane nkoso a na enrolli say ya ma amanfo omo adjoin ye wo Facebook and YouTube na ehunu say ahenkan yakofa asem ba ye nyane petre santam sane nkrofo bi ye no da bi ye fa ye pay the right people near the oma ba na ebi se bi so omo nsem and it is always an edwumadi ne te no a omo experience omo expertise ewo topic num na ye frɛ wom ye konko frɛ politicians ne na oma ba be politics ne tro kan no omko no but we bring you the right people until when we talk about something we talk about the right things. Ya metna so mamme speaky things, blow them out of proportion without providing evidence to buttress your claims. And it you can join us on Facebook. Achem Abenase omo ongoing new project, new police station on person kukrusi hono. And on our for fair no. Intano pay thumbs up to for the new committee. I so make sure say yes, police station where you know. I just want to say thank you so much. Nyankopon Shiramo. Monko so ana mo adwumaden. Monko so ana mo adwumaden. Adwumaden kum nipa na mum ade anuonyam na eba. Enti monyere mo ho. Enti eda so roli wo ho. Mame ma tiefo kwan na omo so ne ekoso omo so mpotemo ne area ho. One or two things they want us to talk about, you know. Almost so they can join us. 0201 944 485 and 0554 820910. Ya kan sem bibiri na no pay my yenti won so adwenkyere a wodi enam 0201 944 485 0554 820910. Our friend food you can aba mpacho ye mo no pay. Unfortunately, unsu betumi abo awram 0201 944 485. Yamu achano pay. No. Lower radio set in mama why? Oh. Ya semo. E pa cho fra no wa lower radio set no. E headset na she yen so ya so ha. And it is a wodi kunkun ne ba. Abrante kama sei. Obe mama so asi. Na wo hia me. Na afra me ne mantimi anye so a wo si sa abrante ya so asi. Na so na e wa na wo ye. Mama yen correct here no. Thank you. 0201944485 0554 820910. Also betumi abasisi a. Eda so eroli e Facebook ho. Abenase wo police station no. Yes. So that is the pictures of omo foundation. Omo guso omo ele blocks no a nyame nhira mo. Amo nkoso a. Monkoso na munsi. Nkoso na munsi. All right. Unfortunately, went me anyina so 0201944485 0554 820910. Oma we ya na aburemu a ye befawo na onso adwenkyere odiaba.
Just because our great grandfather was poor, our grandfather was poor, our father was poor, it doesn't mean that we have to be poor, that we can change for the next generation and the next generation, that your great grandchildren will say thank you to you because you made the most important decision of your journey of life.
Yamu achano pay. Wada romo dini bebi akase free.
Bajo ya from ya dan so kase free la bikuru.
Me pacho yenti o yawo.
Abajo ya man panyen kufu asem no kan na mpeza meka kakara.
Yenti o me de share.
Ma jam mpeza metera mi ze Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Ozi oba ye no wa me yehwe amfa amaye. Ya dana ze na dikan. Ono nso oba no nso den ono nso oba ye de maye. So ono dikan na ntuma ma yehwe amaye. Mo amudi ati no. Mo nso munye bidin fa amaye. Na mo munye bidin fa amaye na mo ba dikan na mudi ni fu sa de kaye hu ba so bia wo so ya. Eden yan so yan ye. Enti za waka za onde ya dana ze na ko pon kiran. Mpanyin fo na aka na wodi ati no. Oh, Debbie. Yamenko. Omo ye mpanyimfo. Nti uka kire panyini si wonsu nyansa wo senye. Mbajo maate medase matwe asan. Yeah, that's it. All right. We yantimi anyina so. Ubetumi aba 0201944485
0554-820-910. Mipacho ba na wa ma wokasa no ɛho ate. Why? Ma ho nte. Nefa onan hye onipa na wo ba be kasa e de afa no ho no. Fa onan hye ne shoe mu hwa ade. Mate ase. Ya mo achi ano pay. Hello. Yeah, ya mo achi o. Me pacho. Yeah, we did maybe akasa free.
Me dia de nana obri koko breko.
Nana yinti o.
O ana pay ma mo ene adwuma.
Yeah, that's it.
Ene afuto ne nsempa o de abre. Obuoba.
Yes sir.
Ana pay de the master ni kuko akasa. Na we e agenchire e ti se ni parking. Yes, me se na agbe. On say ebra na open no chire say to lay foundation. Na say nye. Na wo so ba, na wo beto aso a. And e won so disease no wo kwa na wo second. We live at the senior na e be blacks. And all the blocks to us. Almost a down the road. It is almost honest at the now so by now to this or not so one woman. This is when your opinion about nature.
Okay.
All
right. Yeah, that's CBBRE. Every team to me for free will be a more fan chain. Line a blinky, but more fan chain. I don't know why you be out money too more. One move through. Obrene so no be sorry. I feel babum pew. I don't get it. All right, so it's about to go down. Let's go. It is a checkout time. Yeah, the Asidabe called Yama executive producer Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah, the international killer, the Abo Zege man, being the executive producer. Adrempine Eto Bain J Bain near Dijmedia de Bremo Clement Boano Kwame Asante Kahubi or the echo Facebook, YouTube and the day a Jmedia de Bremo. Me wa frame Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. Ubetimi adi mechi wa Facebook, Instagram na yendin komo wa hono mo. Me no ka say dia adwene panso atena se a wode kase botew no. Wode betoa so ade amaye. Owia Juma will be up next. Nyankopon hwe wo so omfa ni jafa dum no nye jankata wo so. Omo ho ban yo. Ne mom hwe wo so yie, wo hwe wo so yie na Yesu bemu a utumi enyini che. Nyame nhira mo osofo bedi akon na wo yire anopai mi ma good morning. Adwempa to aso.
Ghana de shimama ya mamu nyina mo achibiem asanso ama mo akwaba edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM kasavidie eso. Na baby ayadri ohwe wachire bre na chesesimano we non du kura bo pepe edaso ebre aso ese kasebotew yede ebeso mo we eyansama wodo a ene wo awiapam to bre kasebomo obetimu enchirimu sa enso so ana nwumre no nsia kasebomo so obetimu enso enchirimu na midi ade adwempa nyene kofi mensa adwene papa na papa eni wanim kan na enhye ensam na se a another dia obetu wasum bi ene se okopiemu ewo ye to botom electoral area omo kire se omo ekwan eso esum nko a street light ade se ebi enini wonum ti omo to omo sa atiem ede afre assembly member se omo amaye omo emwanti obeti se omo ensem ahodo no omo ede eto yen anim obeti emu ensem na sa enso so na opanyini ebi enso de atudwa chire mu se sisi a wohwe eye edit reporter auditor reporter ba ya yes 7.7 billion yewisu ede afa eye free SHS ho eno na anka ne osuafo na osuafo abede chire na ohwe nwumasua so eno so ede tudwa chemsa kai momra no mbeyi mu hanu wei free SHS yo amode ma yi mombeyi mu hanu eno nsem obete ewo yen kasebo enso emu na enei amene wo kasafiti anano efiadande ba ana yenyina yese Green Ghana Day etinu adua na guso ekoso sika boti aban no de abetudwa chiremu se wawisu edi edua enua no aye 2.7 million Ghana cedis na no ana yewisa se ehun kura bo hia se enua yedua enua o Ghana hanum na yedua enua o sikai so sɛ yɛtimi ewisu sika bi ate saa na ɛno Ghana for ɛbɛkasa akyerɛ ɔmadwen enso ɛde afa ho na ɔsafo bi so de atodwa ɛkyerɛ mu sɛ yadeɛ maako wɔ ha ɛne aduowɔtwe enum 185 efiri soro ton ɛbɛti ato asase sɛ kinkem na ba no memu ohun bɔ mu a ɛnya deɛ sɛ yadeɛ no bi benyaw wɔn mo ɔmo de ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo ho sɛ ɔmo bɛfa ɔmo homosexuality ɔba na mɛma ne mɛma nna no ɔmo ɛna kyɛsɛ saa yadeɛ wei ɛba bɛto ato hyɛ wɔn so aku wɔn nyinaa ɔsafo panyin bɛkyerɛ mu ɛwɔ yɛn kɛseɛ bɔ ahodoɔ ɛnso emu ɛnɛ ɛdɛy ɛna wafiri ahye ɛno akora ofirase 13th no wafirase kenkan ɛdan ne enipa ahodo wɔ Michael Ghana mu anoma saa dwumadi nso wafirase ɛno nti yɛbɛkɔ mpanyinfo akache na wɔn nso abɔ yɛ mu enkyirimu yɛbɛhwɛ ewiem ensa kyerɛ sɛ deɛ sebe ɛteɛ nsuo gyina wiem ana nsuo nyina wiem ne nyina mu no yɛde bɛbrɛw ɛwɔ dumienu akan kasebɔ emu na afi no nsia kasebɔ mu no wɔbɛtemu enso enkyirimu ahodo na atɔrenkyɛn boafoɔ ekuo no enso de ato Ghana fo nyina anim sɛ ɛbla yɛ wɔ mu ɛyɛ nsutɔbre enti no yɛnya ahwe yɛ no so nkɔmɔ yɛbɛdi ɛwɔ yɛn kasebɔ ahodo mu ɛnɛ ɛdɛntɛya na wɔsɛ afei wasomu atiemu enkyirimu nea wobɛti biem no abɔ Ghana fo nyina kɔkɔ tete wɔn ma wotira yɛ na wɔnya COVID-19 vaccine bi awɔ ɛno ɛsɛ wɔn mo anya ahwe yɛ na nose mask no protocols no ɔmo ngusuwa eni so ɛdeɛ nti ɛna professor ɛyɛ Awendarin ɔno ɛde sansɛm wei ɛto ɛyɛ edwa obɛbɔ mu ɛkyɛ mu ɛde amaye na mpempi no Ghana fo yɛ adwen mo ne yɛnim die no yɛhu ne sɛ ɛyɛ sabi o yɛnua no ma yɛfra mu sɛ ofiri obɛhu ne tiri fitaa wapai sɛ kɔ yɛsɛ yɛ ɔmo ntan kɔ ɔmo kra chintam ɔmo nyiri kyɛ papa na ɛnɛ yɛbɛdi ho ɛnkɔmɔ na yɛahwɛ sɛ deɛ sansɛm no so asibi ɛteɛ wei ɛyɛ ɛnsɛm ahodo a mɛsɛ sɛ bɛtame kuchu wɔ awia dumienu akan kasebɔ ana afi anwumere no nsia akan kasebɔ ɛnɛ dai mu yɛde ɛbɛsom wɔ ɛna wɔso watie mu enkyekye mu sɛ deɛ tie na ɛfata medin biem ɛyɛ adwen pahene kofi mensa adwen papa na papa eni wani mu kan me sɔle kwabra kosti ɛne na bedwafo ayɛ krado ɔmode adwuma ɛde to adwuma die no so
Oda da fu e wa fo mo kwan hye